I'm ready.
Go.
Get his ass.
Ooh. Ooh. Is he biting him?
He biting the shit out of the alligator. He out of there.
Ooh. Crack. Ugh. You hear it? He cracked this shit. He's mad. He's biting the shit out of him.
He gone now.
You know they scared because they ain't never been in no shit like this. They been chilling in that cage for like years. I feel a little bad now.
I don't. I feel very. Almost got a
KK's mother.
Almost got a heart on.
He's leaking.
I know. That motherfucker was hungry. He was on there. He was so moving so fast he was missing them.
Damn, Mike called me. They ready to go disc golfing.
Damn, she got mad tape up here.
He been trying to jump out. She came home one day. He was halfway out.
You don't got no top?
You hear that crack though?
Mm-hmm.
He said he cracked his neck and his balls, his little cartilage he had in him. Damn. You got it all good?
Mm-hmm.
This is going on YouTube.
Hell yeah.
He's still alive.
Yeah. It'll take a while for it to swallow this motherfucker.
I would put him in my basement, but I don't know about my landlord. What he would say?
Landlord never saw him before.
Oh.
He got an apartment.
Yeah.
His neighbor got kids.
Yeah. But we only one got basement access though, so.
Yeah.
That's why he always go in the corner. Gonna try to.
So much damn blood in this
That's my
water.
neighbor.
Yeah.